How do you view compliance graph in PACES? So in this project, I have data for baseline and one follow-up cycle for 2 audit criteria. Once you have entered your data, you're able to view the compliance graphs in the Reports tab. Graphs can either be vertical or horizontal bar chart. You can view compliance graph for all sites or by individual site. If you choose all sites, you will see the aggregated compliance graph for all sites for baseline and follow-up for every criteria. If we go back to the site and choose a specific site, for example, Hospital 1, you will see the compliance graph for baseline and follow-up audit for all audit criteria for Hospital 1 only. If we go back to the site and tick all sites once again and click on this individual site, you will see the compliance graph for the baseline and follow-up of Hospital 1 and baseline and follow-up for Hospital 2 for all audit criteria. You can also choose which audit criteria you want shown in the compliance graph. You can choose to see all audit criteria, which is what we've done. But if you click on this individual site, you will see the compliance graph for every single audit criteria. So this is the first one, and this is the compliance graph for the second one. You may also wish to see the compliance graph for a specific cycle only. For example, baseline. Hover over the follow-up cycle and you will see that remove will appear. Click on remove and you will see only the baseline graph. So in the same way, if you wish to see the follow-up graph only, you can hover over the baseline and you will see that remove will appear. Now, if you want to compare baseline and follow-up or other cycles, click on the arrow next to add comparison, and it will show you the other data collection cycles.